Good morning, students. Welcome to My Passion, My Learning classes. And today we will be discussing on the most important 7 marks questions related to the trigonometry. So let's get started with your very first question from the exercise 6F. So here, if you look at the question, sine 2a minus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equals to 4 cos a sine b and cos c. So we have to prove 4 cos a sine b and cos c. So let's start with the LHS. So we will be starting from the LHS. Sine 2a minus sine 2b plus sine 2c. We know sine 2a minus sine 2b is nothing but is equals to 2 cos of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So we already learned this formula, like sine c minus sine d is nothing but 2 cos of c plus d into sine of c minus d. Here we have a and b. That's the reason why we are using a and b terms. So let's put this formula into the sine c minus sine d. So we can write it like 2 cos of a plus b into sine of a minus b plus sine 2c. So what we did here, in place of sine 2a minus sine 2b, we have put down the formula 2 cos a plus b into sine of a minus b, and sine 2c we have written as it is. Let's move to the next step. So the next step is 2 cos of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So in place of sine 2c, we can write it as 2 sine c cos c. Because we know sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. So in the question they gave ABC are the triangles. So we knew sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. So I can write it as A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. Because plus C when comes to this side, it will become minus C. So let's substitute this in the above one. So 2 cos. So students, in place of A plus B, we can write it as 180 minus C into sine of A minus B as it is, plus 2 sine C cos C. So we knew like cos 180 minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. So let's substitute here the same thing. So this will be like minus 2 cos C, because cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, and sine of A minus B as it is,
plus 2 sin c cos c as it is. Now let's shuffle this one. So what I'll do, I'll write this one 2 sin c cos c first, minus 2 cos c sin of a minus b. Now what I'll do, I'll take 2 cos c common. So we are left with sin c minus sin of a minus b. Now 2 cos c as it is. So we know like a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. And c can be written as 180 minus of a plus b. So in place of c, we will write 180 minus of a plus b minus sin of a minus b as it is. So now 2 cos c bracket, and now sin of 180 minus theta is nothing but sin theta is equals to sin theta. So this sin 180 minus of a plus b can be written as sin of a plus b, because 180 minus theta is theta only. So we can write a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So we will write 2 cos c as it is, and we know sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is equals to 2 cos a sin b. So this is the formula we know. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is nothing but 2 cos sin b. So in place of sin of a plus b and a minus b, we can write 2 cos sin b. So let's write it. This can be written as 2 cos a sin b. So this can be written as 4, because 2 we have to multiply now. 2 2s are 4 cos a sin b cos c, which is equals to RHS. So hence we prove the RHS from the LHS. So students, hope you understood this problem, because we covered each and every step, and this is the most important 7 marks question you can expect in your board exam from the exercise 6F. So see you in the next video in the second problem. Thank you.